Mastering the Custom Auto Shift. Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here, and welcome to today's boxing tutorial. We'll be focusing on mastering the Custom Auto Shift, a move made famous by the original baddest man on the planet, Iron Mike Tyson, aka Kid Dynamite. This technique can give you a significant advantage in the ring. Step 1. Understanding the Custom Auto Shift. The Custom Auto Shift involves shifting your weight from one foot to the other while maintaining a strong defensive stance. Step 2. Stance and footwork. Start in a balanced stance with your knees slightly bent and your weight evenly distributed. When initiating the shift, pivot on the balls of your feet while transferring your weight to the back foot. Step 3. Executing the shift. As you shift your weight, pivot your body to the side, making it harder for your opponent to land punches. Keep your guard up and your eyes on the opponent at all times to anticipate their movements. Step 4. Counterattacking. Use the Custom Auto Shift to create openings for counterattacks, such as slipping to the side and delivering a quick jab or a hook. Step 5. Drills for mastery. Practice shifting your weight smoothly and quickly, incorporating it into your shadow boxing and sparring sessions. Focus on maintaining your balance and defensive posture throughout the movement. To conclude, mastering the Custom Auto Shift requires practice and dedication, but it can greatly enhance your defensive skills and counterattacking abilities in the ring. Keep training hard and remember to always prioritize technique and precision in boxing practice. Now, if you liked the video, please subscribe and always work towards becoming your greatest version.